Welcome to today's lesson. Today we are going to talk about the reading skill, skimming. We will first explain why skimming is important, and then we will introduce what skimming is. Then we will have some examples to show how to skim. Finally, we will check our comprehension and review the contents above. Skimming helps us to find the main idea. That's why skimming is important. The purpose of skimming is to read quickly to identify the topic and the main idea of the reading. When we skim, we first look at the title, subtitles, headings, and the pictures or diagrams in the reading. Then, instead of reading the entire passage, we focus on the first and the last two lines of each paragraph. Remember, when we skim, just quickly browse the contents. Don't read word by word. Now, let's look at the title, subtitles, headings, and the pictures in this reading. From the title, subtitle, and the pictures, we can predict the topic of the passage. Then, quickly read the first and the last two sentences of the paragraph. We know it's about sign language glove. Quickly read over the first and the last two sentences of the paragraph. And we will know it's about laser keyboard. Again, quickly read the first and the last two sentences of this paragraph. We know it's about disposable cell phone. So, from the title, subtitles, and the pictures, we know that the topic of the reading passage is about three inventions, and the main idea is the features of the three inventions. Now, let's try to practice what we've learned. Look at the title and the picture first. From the title and the picture, we can guess this reading is about how diets lead to a long and healthy life. Then, read the first and the last two sentences in each paragraph quickly. From the first and the last two sentences in the first paragraph, we know that the main idea of the reading is the Japanese live long. From the first and the last two sentences in the second paragraph, we know that the reading is going to talk about how Japanese live long. After reading the title, pictures, and the first and the last two sentences in each paragraph, we know the topic and the main idea of the reading is the way the Japanese live long and healthy life. Okay, let's try a more challenging task, the quiz. Yes, the answer is to read quickly. Good. Skimming helps us to find the topic and the main idea. Now, let's review today's lesson. When we skim, we read quickly to find the main idea. We first look at the title, subtitles, headings, and photos or diagrams. Then, we read the first and the last two lines of each paragraph quickly. Don't read word by word. Good job! This is the end of this lesson. Thanks for joining us for this lesson. This online course is funded by the Ministry of Education.